Hi, today we're talking about quotations. So, if you're constantly sending quotations to your client and you want to automate the entire process so that you can use a database and create PDF files directly, then this video is for you. We have got a quotation document created in a Google Doc, and we have a quotation database that we have created in Notion. So what we are going to do is, with the help of this Google document which we have over here as a template file, and with the help of the database that we have over here, we'll create a PDF file one by one for every row of the database, utilizing the information that is available over here. So how exactly will this work? First of all, if you observe this Google document, there are certain elements which have been placed inside double curly brackets on both the side, like quotation number, start date, end date, client name, and so on. These are the exact fields which we have created in a Notion database as the header row, and we'll be utilizing this document and it will be replacing the values over here one by one for every field that is put inside as a placeholder element, utilizing the value from the database. As an example, the quotation number value will be fetched from here and it will be updated over here in this quotation number field. Similarly, start date, end date, all these values will be fetched and it will be updated to the corresponding fields. But to begin the automation, we need to first of all head over to PDFOutput.com. This is the website which will help us automate the entire process. Click on Get Started and simply sign in with one of your accounts that you want to use for the automation process. So let me wait as we are going to sign in. So choose the account and sign in over here. Once you're signed in, you can see something like this. So you will be able to see an interface where you need to connect the Google document as well as the Notion database. First of all, let's connect the Google document. So click on Connect Google Docs and select the account from where you are going to choose the particular template file. Okay. So click on Continue. Make sure you click on this so that it enables the access for generating the PDF file. This must be ticked. Scroll down, click on Continue, and your Google Doc is connected. Next is the Notion database. Click on Connect Notion. So let us copy the database name from here. So this is quotation database. Let me copy this value. Let me go back to the Notion interface and click on select pages. Make sure you choose the right account. Click on select pages and let me paste that name over here. So you can see it is showing me the quotation database. Click on this and it is already added. Let me remove the previously added database. So you can see quotation database is added. Click on allow access. And now the database and Google document both access has been given. Click on select template for the Google document, scroll up, click on browse templates and simply copy the entire Google document text from the here and go back to PDF output and put the name inside this field. Click on search. You can find the quotation PDF. Click on this, click on select, and now you can see the document appearing here. Click on this and click on use this template. So the document is loaded up. Next is let's add the database. So click on select database, choose the database from here, and both the database and document are now loaded up. It will automatically start mapping all the values. So let us wait for a few seconds, and you can see all the placeholders have automatically been mapped. If you click on show preview, you can see the Google document placeholder and the Notion database placeholder written side by side. So everything has been mapped. As you can see, everything is showing in green. You can see the mappings manually underneath here as it shows. Click on generate. As we have 3 rows of data, it will generate 3 PDF files for us and it will run the automation for us. So the more the data you add, it will automatically run the automation for every row and it will generate the PDF file for us. So let us wait for a few seconds as it is loading the data and it is going to generate the PDFs and we can view how it exactly is. So you can see it has processed all the files and it has now downloaded the files for us. Let's go to the downloads folder. Let me open up the first file. So as you can see, this is the first document. So we have quotation number QUO 2025-003. So let us check. So this is this quotation basically, and the start date is March 8, end date is August 4. So March 8, August 4. You can see Nikhil Reddy showing over here as the name. If you check, this is Nikhil Reddy, which is showing, and all the details are exactly the way it should be mapped. Okay, and let us check the other files. So this is for Anjali Verma. So if you see the database, this is for Anjali Verma, and finally we have the last file. So this is for Rahul Mehta. So if you check the database, Rahul Mehta is over here. So basically we created 3 PDF files completely on automation utilizing a Google document as a template file where we have put the placeholders inside double curly brackets on both sides. We are using a Notion database and we created the automation. So you can create your own template and the database and connect both the things to start the automation. If you're in need of any help or assistance, simply send me an email at notionformyuse@gmail.com and I'll be happy to assist you with any queries. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.